Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of these 3.5mm auxiliary cable headphone jack, and I got this because this has a built-in mic and I wanted to see if this is going to work with my Anchor headphones, which they do bring a headphone jack but there's no mic built into it. However, I have a second pair that does have a 3.5 auxiliary cable that does have a microphone, and it works when you plug it directly into the headphone jack of the laptop. These are noise cancelling and these are wireless, but I like the feature to be able to use them on my computer and be able to use the microphone if the battery runs out or if I choose not to go the Bluetooth route. On devices that don't have Bluetooth, this would be excellent, but let's do a quick unboxing and see what do these look like. These are the Jabees AUC 102. I got these on Amazon, and this is the barcode right here for the part number. So let's unbox these. Okay, this is the way it's boxed in. Right away you can tell it is braided. We'll see how long they will hold up. And then this has some barcodes so you can give a review. Instruction guide, and in Chinese, of course, made in China. Happy, unhappy. Anyway, guys, there's that quick unboxing. I will go and test these with these Anchor headphones. And just in case you're wondering which model these are the Life Q20. Soundcore Life Q20. Thanks for watching.